Alright YouTube, so here is the assembled US General 5-drawer Harbor Freight tool cart. Wasn't a big deal putting it together. Went together fairly easy. And so here's the inside. Pretty good ample amount of room. Here's your free gift whenever you buy something from Harbor Freight. Drawers slide out nice and easy. So basically the reason why I got this too was because I had the standard 2-drawer Blue Point generic China made tool cart. Just has one lid and one drawer underneath. But I couldn't fit my deep sockets. My deep impact sockets 1/2 inch, so this should take care of the problem. Also, there's a lot more room in this cart, so I could lay out all of my sockets here up top and not have any problems with storage. Put your standard size pry bars and extensions in these side slots. I'll probably put my standard metric and standard combination wrenches in these 2 drawers right here. I'll probably put pliers in this drawer, and then I'm probably going to put my air impact and my cordless impact driver in the bottom drawer. And miscellaneous in the second drawer from the bottom. Very perfectionists out there. The only flaws that I really see is the lid right here. It's not exactly sitting flush. It's not a big deal to me though. What do you want for 180 bucks? The high-tech US General logo is not exactly level. No big deal to me. I don't really care. It's a US General box. What do you want? One thing I did kind of have it's not really a concern, but I could see it failing is this, the bracket for the handle. It's kind of looks like a weak point in the cart, but if it breaks or whatever, easy fix, weld it up, no big deal. Box is rated for over 700 pounds of tools. I don't see myself putting that much tools in here. I'll probably put max no more than 300, maybe. Basically all I want is just move around all of my sockets, combination wrenches, impact gun, impact driver, pliers. Just your basics. Nothing crazy. I don't need to move my whole toolbox around. Okay, that's about it. When I get to work tonight, I'll show the layout in my old tool cart, and then I'll put everything in that tool cart into this one, and then we'll see the difference. Alright, thanks.